Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. This is Prince here, your trading friend. Friends, today also we are going to see our live trading in Banknifty, and let us see how we did the analysis today, how we booked our trade, how we traded, how we booked our profits and losses, all those things. So stay tuned till the end of the video, and before going forward, I just want to give you a quote. I felt it very inspirational when I was reading this today morning. We rise by lifting others. Yes friends, it's true, because in order to grow up, we need to make others also to grow. That is how it indirectly means, or that is what the simplest meaning of this sentence is. Friends, it is a time of panic for everyone. Many people are losing their jobs, and many people might lose their jobs as well. So we as a trader, we also need to take a commitment. Please do educate your friends, educate your close ones about stock market trading. It's a profession where you can make money even if you're sitting at home, even if you lose your job, or even you can start it as a part-time job. So you have a responsibility of educating, making others also grow. If at all you are successful, it is not that it should be limited only to you. Please to educate others also. Please share this message to many of your friends. I would request each of you to at least share about stock market, or give a hint about stock market, or at least give an idea about stock market to at least two people, two close friends of yours. That would be sufficient, and it will make a very big magic, friends. The reason why I'm saying is because I saw the situation in 2008 and 2009 when there was recession. During that time I was starting my career, and I understood about all this thing. That is why I started off trading during that period, and now during this recession I am in a very comfortable position, and many of my friends also are in this comfortable position because we started trading during that period, and we have reached to a good comfortable level. Now you can see the live trading, how it is going on, and how we are placed comfortably. Okay, but I agree, I promise you, I can't say that, I can't promise you that you can start making money immediately, but I can say at least by the next market crisis you will be in a very comfortable position where you are not dependent on your salary alone. Okay friends, so by saying this, let us go into today's live trading video. So today actually was a roller coaster ride. Many face the same situation today, because you can see that market was giving different kinds of hints. So when I started trading, I took trade at around 11:30. You can see that time is around 11:30. So why I took at 11:30, friends? Many people ask this question: at what time you are trading? Friends, it is least important for us. We are only trying to identify the trend. And why I was trading at 10:30 was because we were waiting for the market to settle down. That is point one. Today why I traded at 11:30? Because we were waiting for the RBI announcement to finish, and as you know, RBI announcement, they almost reduced 0.75%, but still we were expecting the market to go up, but still it was range bound. Yes, but never mind, in options we can make money even if the market is going down. This is point number one. Point number two, which I want to clarify you all, is that many are asking, what is that I'm doing? How is that I'm able to identify the trend and trade within 1 or 2 minutes? Friends, that is because we are using trend analysis. We draw trend lines, and by trend lines we get a clear indication whether market is moving in which direction. Okay, so trend lines are drafted. There are many rules for that. It's not that you can learn in 1 or 2 days. It requires lot of training, lot of practice. So by identifying that trend lines, this is how we are doing the trend analysis and doing the trade. One more thing which I want to clarify you friends, is that strike price. Many are asking me, sir, which strike price are you taking? Friends, you have to be least bothered about the strike price, because at the moment of trading, just look into the nifty position. Whatever is the nifty's position, you can take the nearest ITM or the OTM. And why I take always the nearest ITM is because the premium will be more. And as you know that in one day there won't be much premium decay, so don't worry about it being an OTM or being an ITM. Just we are dependent on the direction of the market, so that is why the more the premium, the more profit you will be getting, because your loss is limited to 200 points. So only in case if you get more than 200 points, you'll be able to make profit. So these are the two clarifications which I want to make you. So now also looking into this video, you can see, yeah, so I'm changing all the candles and seeing now this is a 5 minutes candle. So this also is giving a very clear indication that it is moving in the direction, topward direction. And how I am able to look into it and judge so nakedly, because I have been doing it from lot of time. That is why by looking into the chart itself, I can guess, or I can predict the direction of the movement. And also let me tell you, prediction is not 100% accuracy, it will only have 70 to 80% accuracy. We have to accept the loss, we will be limiting the loss, and we will be running the profit. Okay, so you can also master this, but provided you practice this, learn about trend lines and learn about trend channels and practice it continuously, only then you will be able to reach this kind of levels. Okay friends, so let us continue. So we looked into the 5 minutes and we got a clear indication. We looked into all the candles and we came to know that yes, market is going up. So as you know, I sell options, so that is why I am selling options, and I'm keeping a cover order because today morning I got a message telling that Upstock started providing leverage, okay, around 2.5 times. So that is why I am keeping, but as you can see, it is got rejected, and it says that the order is rejected because the primary leg of this order was also rejected, and it says that CO is blocked. So I'll go into the funds. Funds are sufficient enough. Yesterday's 8,000 has to be recovered, still not recovered. So instead of market order, I tried placing limit order just to check in case if it is a reason for not executing. So but the same situation has happened. Okay, it is asking for the stop loss. You can see that market is coming down from 1360, it has come down to 1346. So we also have to move our stop loss. Stop loss is continuously moving down. So you can see, yeah, we need only 200 points. I was keeping 300, sorry. So changing to 300, 200 points. Again, I place a cover order, and let me just see if it will get executed. As of now, it's showing as pending, but again it has got rejected, saying the same reason, cover order has been blocked. So then I have no other option but to go to our normal method which we used to do before. Positions is not yet activated. I will keep normal MIS order. I have nothing else to do because you can see that bracket orders all have been cancelled temporarily. Friends, these are all temporary situations, so nothing to worry. Coming back to our normal simple order, so don't, even if cover order or bracket order is not there, you can place your simple order. So you can see it is pending, trade is pending, and I have placed 1410, but still it is pending. Okay, so might be the volume is less or might be the depth. Okay, so you can see the depth, the difference is almost 10 to 15 points difference is there between ask and the sell ratio. So what we can do is we can move little more down so that it gets executed. 1400 should be fine, and then let us see. Yes, it's got computed. Yes. Okay, so you can see the order has been executed at 1405, and our trade has been initiated, trade has been executed at 1136. So let us keep our stop loss. So I'm just keeping 200 point stop loss, so that even in case if the market moves in opposite direction, we won't have much tension. Yeah, so you can see one open order is still pending, and friends, you can see I have sold 2 lots, and the fund required is 92,000 with stop loss. So that is why I was saying with 50,000 you can sell options of 1 lot. In case if you want to buy, you can do it with the 25,000 also. And 1,92,000, that is yesterday's loss, we are yet to recover. We have to recover it only then. After making about 2 lakhs only, we'll be taking our profits out. Otherwise, we are not going to take our profits out. Okay, friends. So trade has been initiated at 1136, and end of the day at when I looked at our stop loss has been triggered. Though the market went up, we had a sudden movement. That is why we had to book a loss. So you can see that. So I just want to show you the message which I read morning. So these are the announcements which came. So this is what I was talking about, 5x margin on intraday orders on Friday, but unfortunately it is mentioned on Banknifty and Nifty futures only. Okay, cover orders with margins are allowed. Okay, so this is what I was talking about, but unfortunately I was options, and we had to book a loss. No problem, and we will enter into our Excel as soon as we finish our trade. So Banknifty 27 March, and it is 9,500, so I mean 8,500, so we'll make it as 9,000 including the brokerages. Okay friends, so this was all about today's trading. Yes, it's a back-to-back losses, I agree. There are two losses happening for the first time. No, here also we had one small back-to-back losses. But never mind, it's part of trading. As long as our losses are limited, you can see that the loss is limited to 8,500 to 9,000 rupees. But our profits are running high. This is the best part of trading, friends. We have loss will come. Two losses are there, but don't underestimate my trading, or don't underestimate my strategies, or don't underestimate my trainings. Loss is common, it will keep happening, and I am posting it live to you. So if at all I am posting live strategy, it means that the confidence which I am having, the confidence that yes, I will make profits, this is the confidence same which you also have to have. Even if you are having loss, you don't have to worry, you will be booking profits tomorrow, or one or the other day you will be booking your profits, and the profits will be more than the loss. So with this confidence only, I am also posting my live trading videos, and I am successful in trading. Same attitude, same mindset you also need to have, only then you will be success. Okay friends, so once again, thank you everyone for watching the video. And as I told you in the beginning, don't forget to share or give a hint about trading to your friends who don't know about it. There are many who don't know. The population in India is hardly in single digits, so who knows about trading? So please do educate your friends about it. Thank you and have a nice day.